Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about matches, lighters, and lighter fluid. All the things you need to make easy fire. Now, there's just about every other prepping channel is talking about, oh, you got to make sure you have plenty of flints and steel. Well, for a flint and steel sitting there making your little thing, trying to light it up, and you're in the house trying to do fire, like a oil lantern, trying to light the propane stove, camp stove, you're not going to be doing that in the house. You need to have lighters and matches. And if you're going to have lots of lighters and matches, you might as well make sure you get the big packs of 25 where they're less than $1 each of the lighters, and you just keep several of those in your packs and stuff and in the car or whatever. That way you have instant fire. You're not trying to, oh, it's snowing and raining out here, I need to gather up some dry tinder and some kindling, get enough dry stuff, make a little bird's nest here, try to get it going, and it's like, boom, and you're off and running. All right, think smarter, not harder. Yes, if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you happen to have a little itty bitty flint and steel stuck into your backpack and you fall in the river, yeah, you're going to be able to start a fire with it, possibly start a fire easier with that flint and steel than you are matches that may or may not be wet, if you did or did not keep them in a waterproof container. Or your Zippo lighter, whether or not it got so much water in it that it's not going to work till it dries out a little bit. But if you take precautions like you do with everything else, you have your waterproof container for your matches, you have a little Ziploc baggie for the extra Bic lighters, you're going to be good. So, think smarter, not harder. Think smarter, not harder. Get a bunch of these cheap lighters, put them in some Ziploc bags or in one of those little watertight containers. If you need to have it in a backpack or a day pack or whatever else. Around the house, you got plenty of drawers in the kitchen, you got plenty of drawers elsewhere. Stash lighters all over the place. All right? So, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill and plant an indoor garden. We're going to be doing an indoor garden challenge next year, so now's the time to practice. Because the way food prices are going through the roof, you need to plant a garden.